Okay guys, hi, hello everyone. A very warm welcome to your today's session. I hope that you all are doing amazing and happy also. So because you finally got an update about your exams. So are you guys happy with the date? April May your exams are starting now on April 26th. So how are you feeling right now? I want to know. And now because we have a lot of time, so we are going to do lot of practice. So subjective questions we are discussing today. So you have more time to practice these subjective question answers because you have actually forgotten how do we frame the answers. So please pay attention to every session that we are conducting here. And the chapter is carbon compounds. Plus we do have a Mentee today. Okay, so yes, Mentee is there, so you have to be just present throughout the session. Okay, let's get started. Are you all ready? Tell ma'am in the chat box. Let me have a look at the chat box. So how is your reaction on the exam date and when you were expecting the exams? Okay, everybody in the chat box. Mentee hai beta, we do have a Mentee today. Yeah, don't worry. Yes. So tell me now in the chat box. Everything is good? Yes, ma'am. We are kind of excited. मुझे तो डर लग रहा है. Okay, there are some students who are saying डर क्यों लग रहा है? You have been writing exams for quite a lot of time, isn't it? कितने टाइम से आप एग्जाम्स लिख रहे हो? Yes, I do remember each one of you. Yeah, of course, I do remember you. So if in case you are new on the channel, then make sure that you subscribe to it so that you do not miss on any of the update. Okay, and because we are having in the session, what is that? We are having Mentee, so you have to be present. Okay, invite your friends. Yes, Palak, I do remember you. Yes. Thank you, Shaurya. Cuteness lies in the eyes of beholder, I would say. Yes. Let's get started with your chemistry master teacher Shilpi Kaushik. I guess everyone is ready and we should start now. Okay? शुरू करते हैं. Okay. Yeah, so I hope you all have subscribed to the channel and बताया नहीं आपने how are you feeling that your exam का date is like postponed? Yeah, so invite your friends. And guys, one more thing now because you have a lot of time for your exam. So Vedantu is also here with you. We will be always having your back. So tension mat lo. One thing is a problem for you. So like class 11th ka syllabus would be delayed, है ना? So for those students who wanted to opt science in class 11th, yeah, you know, if you have decided you want to go with arts and commerce, so uske liye you would be getting like comparatively that would be starting late. Otherwise, like everything is fine. April में exams हो रहे हैं, but that is one drawback I feel that you guys would be having. But still you all have to be like, you know, still ऐसे नहीं सोचना मैम exams are going to be cancelled. Yes, Antara, I do remember each one of you. You guys keep on checking my memory. Huh, ma'am, do you remember me? Do you remember me? I remember each one of you. हाँ, मैं कैसे भूल सकती हूँ, है ना? So, ma'am, I think you have a short-term memory loss. Okay, so this is Shilpi Mam's coupon code SKA Pro and we are having huge discount for you in this month also. And yeah, special things are coming for you in the next week. So just have patience. You can note down Mam's coupon code to always get 10% extra discount, right? So subjective questions without wasting any time, we will be moving forward because we do have to attend the Mentee also. है ना? So शुरू करते हैं with the very first question. Case based question is given to you. Again, I would say the same thing as I always tell you that if it is a theoretical case based passage, you don't need to read all of that. If you are done with the preparation, if you have read your chapter properly, you have done a lot of practice, then you can also just read it, the outline of the case. You can just understand that. So dekho, it is starting from this point and it's ending here. So it's going to take a lot of your time. So you can just see the highlighted words over here. Okay, so I can see covalently bonded molecules. So there is something about covalent bonds that we are talking. I see a word sharing of electrons. That is what happens in covalent bonds. And then carbon की बात की है, that has a unique ability to form bonds with other atoms. The catenation tendency is given over there, so we can say the versatile nature of carbon, something like that. And then valency के बारे में we have discussed in how carbon makes the other compounds. So now you are clear that what the passage is, where it is trying to take you, so you can directly go to the questions. Okay, so you would be knowing them anyway. What are covalent compounds? Everyone in the chat box, the first question that was based on the case that was given to you. बता दो what are covalent compounds. And now please don't take your exams lightly कि मैम अभी तो we have a lot of time. It seems like the academic year is just starting now. Hi Yograj, how are you? Yes Jignesh, exactly. So give the answer in the chat box. Yes, the compounds which are formed by sharing of electrons. Mutual sharing of electrons. Okay, so mutual sharing, if we are having an atom A, this is atom B, so if A is contributing 2 electrons in the sharing, B is also contributing. So it is how, like, you can just show. जैसे example ले लो oxygen के case में, है ना. So write the configuration. Oxygen has a configuration of 2,6. So you know that only valence electrons participate in the bond formation because they are on the very much extra part, है ना, outer part, because nucleus is deeply seated inside the atom and nucleus is having neutrons and protons, so they can't participate. It is just and just the valence electrons which can participate in the bond formation. So you have to show just the valence electrons in the covalent bond formation, in fact in the electron dot structure. So you can see oxygen got 6 valence electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Each oxygen atom, this is also having 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now each oxygen atom needs 2 more electrons for the octet completion, so they would be mutually sharing 2 electrons with each other, giving rise to what you say double covalent bond. Okay, yeah, so how can you write it? A covalent compound is a molecule formed by covalent bonds in which atoms are gonna share 1 or more pair of valence electrons. So tell me the answer. Between 2 atoms, how many maximum number of electrons can be shared? Yes, 2 atoms. How many maximum electrons can be shared between them? In the chat box, everybody. Yes, and call your friends. We have a Mentee also. You need to have a good competition there. 4, are you sure? No, 3. Yes, only 3. So there is just the maximum of triple covalent bond that can be formed between the 2 atoms. Okay, so ऐसे नहीं हो सकता that you can make carbon is gonna make 4 electrons are not shared. So maximum there would be 3 electrons that each atom would be sharing with the another one. Okay, yeah, between 2 atoms maximum of 3 bonds are possible, right? Yes, Antara, very good. The next question is super easy. What would be the electron dot structure of carbon dioxide which has the formula CO2? So when you have to draw the electron dot structure, इसका मतलब you have to show how the covalent bonds are being made, how every atom is completing its octet or duplet respectively. This is what we have to show, how that sharing is taking place. So for electron dot structure, you have to write the configuration of each element first. Like we are having carbon, the configuration is 2,4, right? Oxygen got a configuration 2,6. Now next point, you know that only valence electrons will be participating in bond formation. So electron dot structure mein we have to just represent the valence electron, and valence electron of one atom we represent by dot, another atom by cross, so that there is a clear visual representation, right? Okay, so let's have a look at this. Carbon is having 4 valence electrons. Okay, and oxygen atom got 1 2 3 4 5 6 valence electrons. Each oxygen is having 6 valence electron. So now you can see carbon requires 4 electron for complete octet, and each oxygen requires 2 more electron. So carbon is going to share its 2 electrons with one oxygen atom and another 2 with another oxygen. So see, you can see here the octet of oxygen is completed, है ना? Can you count the electrons? 6 plus 2 from sharing. And similarly, carbon is also getting an octet. Yay! This is octet of carbon. So finally, अच्छे दिन carbon की आ गए. See the happy days, good days. So how can I show it? This is carbon double covalently bonded to one oxygen, and here also. So this has a linear structure where the bond angle is 180 degrees. Okay, so it's like this. Just say your pen. So the center mein we have a carbon, one oxygen, another oxygen. Okay, linear. I hope you all can draw this. Yes. Okay. Yeah, clear hai? No confusion? Very good. So the answer is given here, how you have to frame it. First write the configurations and then you have to show the electron dot structure directly. You can show here. Okay? Yes. Very good. Okay, chalo. So the next one on your screen, state two properties of carbon which led to very large number of carbon compounds. Now time again this question has been asked in the previous year. So if you check the sample paper of this year, they have given this. You check sample paper of 2021, the same question is given over there. Okay, so what will you be writing there? Tell me in the chat box. Yes. Everybody, let's see who gives the answer. Yes, Normie. Very good. That's right. Yes. So that's first point, tetravalency we would be giving. So you have to explain the versatile nature of carbon. Versatile, it's like multi-talented carbon. And as it's like multi-purpose can be performed by it. Very good. So first point we would be telling is about the tetravalency, that carbon got a valency of 4. है ना? So that means carbon has a tendency to make 4 covalent bonds at the same time. Wow. And the extent of these covalent bond is also very high because carbon has a small size. So nucleus attracts the shared pair of electron very tightly. Because of that, the sharing is good. Okay. So the bonds are stronger and stronger bonds are always stable. Right, so tetravalency and plus the other point, carbon has a tendency to make single bonds. It can be involved in double bonds. It can be involved in triple bonds. So it has a tendency to make the multiple bonds. Isn't it amazing? Yes. And the second point, which is responsible, is catenation. है ना? The tendency of the self-linking tendency of carbon to make covalent bonds with the other carbon atoms. And this can lead to straight chains. It is possible that they can make the branching. They can make cyclic structure also. And again, catenation, the extent of catenation exhibited is very high. And the reason comes down to the small size of carbon. Because of small size, nucleus holds the shared pair of electrons tightly. The bonds are quite strong and that is why they are stable. Okay? Clear hai? Yes, everybody. How can we frame the answer? Yes, Anya. Very good. Okay, state two properties of carbon which leads to very large number of compounds. So you can just frame the answer. We have to take both the points, tetravalency and catenation. Right. The next question is very easy. You will be giving me the answer in the chat box. Okay. See, two non-metals A and B. Okay, so the first information is both of them are non-metals. Combine with each other by sharing of electrons. अच्छा, ये भी बता दिया that they are doing sharing to form a compound C. Okay, two non-metals A and B combine with each other by sharing of electron, making a compound C. What is the nature of compound C? Yes, nature means you have to tell it would be ionic, it would be covalent. Can you tell this? Yes, Normie. Very good. You guys are so smart. Covalent, because sharing of electrons हो रहा है and sharing is caring. Carbon knows that. That is covalent. बहुत बढ़िया. Super smart guys. Amazing. Will it dissolve in water or organic solvent? Water is a polar solvent. Organic solvents are non-polar. They do not have any charge, separation or polarity as such. Organic solvent. Yes. बेटा Mentee होने वाला है. Don't worry. Hi Vanessa. Yeah, organic solvents में it would be soluble. So covalent compounds do not have any like electronegativity का difference. So there is not much charge separation over there. So unless you talk about polar covalent compounds, majority of them will be dissolving in organic solvents. Okay, because they are non-polar in nature, and organic solvents are also non-polar. Okay, polar means that again you can get the idea about the charges, the polarity, but exceptions are always there. Like if you take HCl, then HCl में hydrogen and chlorine have an electronegativity difference. So this covalent bond, the bond pair of electrons are inclined more towards chlorine atom because it has more electronegativity. It has more tendency to pull the shared pair of electrons towards itself. So it gets a partial negative charge, hydrogen partial positive. In these cases, it is possible that covalent compounds can dissolve in water, but they are polar covalent compounds. Okay, so exceptions are always there in chemistry, yes or no, but otherwise covalent compounds would be favoring the organic solvents. Okay, and ionic compounds, they favor the water. Yes, easy. Will it be a good or bad conductor of electricity? We know that covalent compounds में just the sharing is taking place. There is no charged species. There is no electrostatic force of attraction. So they won't be conducting electricity. Yes. Bad conductor of electricity. Very good. Super smart. Will it be having low or high melting point? Again, covalent compounds, they do not have any electrostatic force of attraction, no oppositely charged ions. So they have relatively lower melting points and boiling points. Okay? Yes guys, amazing. बहुत बढ़िया. You all are giving the right answer. Seems like you are just prepared for exams. अभी exams लेने चाहिए थे, है ना? In the month of March only. No ma'am, don't say that. So that is why देखो we are using the term usually soluble in organic solvents because we have exceptions, है ना? Usually low melting and boiling points. So that is important. Why are covalent compounds different from ionic compounds? Easy है. Covalent में sharing of electron is taking place. No charged species. Ionic compounds में the transfer of electron is taking place. And there is involvement, देखो. So in ionic compounds, electron gets completely transferred. And covalent में there is just the sharing that is taking place. So if electron is being transferred, that means one species becomes a cation, the donor one, and the species which is accepting the electron, that becomes an anion, the negative one. So charge hoga, all the properties would be different. Ionic compounds would be having high melting and boiling points. They are generally water soluble. And if you talk about covalent, low melting point, low boiling point, they are usually soluble in organic solvents. They are bad conductors of electricity. Ionic ones are good conductors of electricity, है ना, in molten and aqueous state. We can do this. Yes, Anu, I can see your messages, beta. Yes, so कर सकते हो इसको, बहुत easy है. Okay, so you can frame the answers. So whatever questions we are discussing in class, the answers are attached here. So please make sure that घर पे जाकर you set a timer and do the written practice. You frame the answers. That is important. Okay, and don't give it up because term 1 जैसा भी हुआ था, you have a lot of time to recover in term 2. Now because इतना सारा time है, so I would just rather just push you to keep a target of 40 on 40 for every subject. Why can't you get it when you have so much of time? Just imagine 40 on 40 in every subject. You have to target that. Okay, because you have plenty of time. So why not? Why would I even target 38 marks, 35 marks? Don't settle for less, है ना? That's important. Okay, so just telling you about Vedantu's live interactive courses. The last batch is starting very soon. Now, because exam date is extending, वैसे तो the last batch was started on 7th of February. Because exam date has been extended. So for class 10th, we are bringing a batch that is starting on 21st of February. So 21st February to 21st March, you would be getting the subscription of Vedantu, and 1 month में the entire syllabus would be like covered if you take the classes wisely. Apart from that, you can go with a full crash plan also. You know that exam to April में start होने वाले हैं, April 26th. So I would be going up with a complete full-fledged crash course. If you have not started studying yet, कोई बात नहीं, 10th February है, till your April you can take the crash course, okay, and we would be making you prepare for all the subjects, be it physics, chemistry, biology, maths, social studies and English. Am I missing anything? No. Okay, so total of 6 subjects. And what are the pricing? Ma'am will show you from the site, but coupon code is important, SKA Pro, and get ready for the Mentee now. Invite your friends. I'm giving you some time. Meanwhile, ma'am is gonna tell you about the how you will go with the course. Okay, so देखो, this is the session. Let's keep a target of 60 likes. Okay, very good. चलिए, Flipkart 31, we have to make 60 likes. Call your friends. We are going to the Mentee session. Okay, chalo, scroll down and you will see avail 10% of Vedantu all courses, CBSE Term 2 full syllabus. And guys, abhi bhi if you were taking it lightly, then please get serious now. So CBSE in a full mood of conducting the exam and you have a chance. So if you were taking things for granted till now, it's like a wow, it's like matlab, you are blessed, है ना, with an opportunity to start over again, and I would say you shouldn't be missing it. So Vedantu Lite subscription is available here. This is the Pro Lite subscription. Okay, coupon code is already applied here. If I remove it, then pricing is 5,000 rupees for a complete crash course and 3,000 for 15 days. Now you say, ma'am, ये तो मुझे महंगा लग रहा है. This is expensive. Can I get some discount? So you apply ma'am's coupon code. It falls down to 4,500 rupees for a complete crash course. So February mein you are taking the enrollment till your April, everything would be covered. Okay, live interactive classes would be there, test series and analysis hoga, assignments would be given to you that would be updated with the new exam pattern, and handwritten notes, replays would be available. And during the live sessions, if you get any doubt, ya ghar pe you are reading a textbook, you got a doubt, so it's very important that all your doubts are being resolved, otherwise it is going to impact your concept building, and if that is not clear, then if examiner twists the question around, you won't be able to solve them, है ना. So that is the thing. And if you feel कि ये ज़्यादा महंगा है, for the complete course, you can take the 1 month ka course also, that is in 2,700 rupees. It is written try for 15 days, but because you would be applying a coupon code, so you would be getting 15 days free with it. So it's 1 month ka crash course, you would be getting it for 2,700 rupees. Okay, unlimited live classes, the assignments, notes, everything is covered. So it's a full-fledged plan. Okay, so you don't have to miss it. Now we are going to the Mentee. ठीक है, शुरू करें Mentee. Come in the Mentee, guys. The code is written on the top, and the link for the subscription of Vedantu you will get in the description box of the video. Okay, ready everybody? आ जाओ जल्दी से join कर लो. The code is 80233012. Everyone come and join the Mentee. The questions, you will get 20 seconds for every question. Read the passage given on next slide and answer the following questions. Now there is no passage. Okay, there would be some compounds that are given to you. Some hydrocarbons, non-hydrocarbons and hydrocarbon derivatives will be given to you, and you have to give the answers based on that. I will give you some time to read it. Don't worry. Okay. देख लो मैम, how can we read these structures? Note them down in your notebook. ठीक है, so this is the only passage. You are provided with some organic compounds P, Q, R, S, T, U, and the upcoming questions would be based on this. Okay, you can't remember it of course, so I have added this picture in every question that would be coming up ahead. Fine, but still you have to see it. देख लो, you can keep a screenshot or something. Yeah, you can just note it on the notebook. Shall we start? Yes, ma'am, where are you? We are missing you. No, ma'am. चलो आ जाओ जल्दी. Yes, there are some students ready over here. So we are having this quiz after a long time. है ना? Okay, guys, join in fast. Yes, everybody. Yes, Vandana, I'm waiting. Join it, join it. कोई बात नहीं, आराम से आ जाओ. Take your time. Okay. Strawberry is also there. We have like Sherlock Holmes. That's more like Detective Conan. Okay. Wow. Yes, come and join it. The questions आपने देख लिया है ना? So the questions will be based on that. Code Tamanna, the code is 80233012. You are fish, Anu? Okay, that's amazing. Fire is there. We have lion. We have koala. Koala just joined us. Cake. Okay. Angel. Shuru kare? I guess you all have joined. Wait. Okay, Harshita, I'm waiting. Come and join it. You are done it? Okay. Amazing. So guys, how are you feeling? Exams ka date is extended. You didn't tell me. I was not able to see your messages in the beginning. So tell me, join kaise karna hai? Nikhil, you have to take a device. Go to Google and search for mentee.com and then you have to put a code 80233012. Okay? Hi Vanshika. Hi Gajuli. I'm sorry, I'm not good at pronouncing the name. So मैं गलत बोलूँ तो please forgive me for that. Oh, see what Achintya is saying. I'm happy because I will get to study from you more. Achintya, is that makhan light? मैम पे लगाने की कोशिश की आपने. हाँ, क्लास 11th में you guys would be missing me, yes or no? Feeling anxious after dates released? Why Naomi? Why? Because there's a lot of time. हाँ, ज़्यादा टाइम भी वैसे मतलब अच्छा नहीं होता, बट स्टिल. ओके, शुरू करें. चलिए. So we have target 60 likes. I hope we will achieve it by the end of the session. How to join Mentee, Maria? You have to go to Google, search for mentee.com and then you have to put a code 80233012. Okay? Yes. Ready everybody? Chaliye, the first question on our screen and there you go. All the very best. Acha, it is like Gajali. ठीक है. Got it. Which of the following compound belong to same homologous series? बहुत easy question है. Same homologous series, which of the following compound belongs to? S and T, T and U, P and U, P and T. I hope you can see that diagram. छोटू सा दिया हुआ है. Yes. Okay. And if you see that, इसमें क्या गलती कर दी आपने बेटा? The correct answer was P and T. I guess you didn't pay enough attention. Alkynes दिए हुए थे, है ना? I can also not see, it is छोटू सा. Alkynes, P and T में there was a carbon-carbon triple bond. So that means they are from the alkyne family. है ना? So alkynes are gonna make a same homologous family. They all have carbon-carbon triple bonds. The other options were not matching. और तो कोई भी नहीं था from the same homologous series. One was alkane. One was from alcohol family. And the another one that was given was from the alkyl, like bromide was given to you. That was again from a like functional group was present over there ना halogen से. So which was the right answer? P and T, जिसमें carbon-carbon triple bond was there. 6 students have only given the right answer. So read it carefully. 20 seconds you would be getting. You have to be fast and smart. Okay? We are having Achintya on the top, then Anjali, Vasundhara, Muskan, Prakriti, Anya. Yograj, Cake, Watson, Babita, climb up guys. Very good. Keep it up. चलिए आगे चलते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. You got correct, Naomi? Amazing. Second one about to come on your screen. Get ready guys. Yeah, शुरू कर दे. There you go. The functional group of compound R is, so R में the functional group is OH. What is that? Alcohol, aldehyde, ketone or carboxylic acid. The functional group of R. OH is the functional group. Yes, so what functional group is OH? Very easy. This has to be your favorite one. And the answer is, देखो ये सबको पता है. Alcohols के लिए the functional group is OH that we would be adding. And alcohols के लिए what is the suffix that we use? Alcohols will be having the suffix of ol. They always end with ol. है ना? जैसे propanol, butanol, ethanol. So that ol is their suffix that we use. And हाँ, carbon में you would be having OH का attachment. Easy है? Okay, very good. Easy peasy. Yes. The next one. See, Amrita, you are laughing. You got correct. Amazing. Now, on the leaderboards, we have students with more points. Vasundhara on the top, then Anjali, Prakriti, Sleeping Stone is fastest this time. Amazing. Then we have Shanpreet, Cake, Tamanna, Harshit, Yograj and Anu. Keep it up, guys. There is like all the other student leaderboard has changed drastically. Third question on your screen and there you go. Yes. Read it. Compound T belongs to homologous series of. बहुत easy है. T में there is a carbon-carbon triple bond. Very easy question. मतलब this is तो कुछ ज़्यादा easy. Alkynes, alkenes, alkanes or none of these. Carbon-carbon triple bond. To what homologous series they would be belonging? They are from alkyne. Yes, super easy. है ना? So we, and what is the general formula for alkynes? Tell me in the chat box, everybody. CnH2n minus 2. Number of hydrogens are twice minus 2 of number of carbon atoms. है ना? Okay, Vasundhara on the top. Amazing. Then we have Prakriti, Tamanna, Shanpreet, Cake, Anshika, Yograj, Anu, Harshit and Vanshika. Keep it up, guys. Climb up, everyone. Okay. Fourth question and there you go. All the best. Read it carefully. Which of the following compounds is unsaturated hydrocarbon? S, Q, U and R. There are 3 unsaturated hydrocarbons. But options में क्या दिया हुआ है? You have to see it accordingly. And the answer was U. Yes. है ना? So alkenes, carbon-carbon double bonds and triple bonds, they both would be counted as unsaturated. If carbon-carbon single bonds are there, that means alkanes, they are the saturated one. है ना? Easy hai? Yes, very good. So you can watch the options carefully and then mark your answers. On the leaderboards, let's see who is on the top. And I guess it's gonna change. Wow, what a flip. Yograj. Harshit is fastest. Amazing, guys. Achintya is back to the Mentee. Alcohol का मतलब क्वेश्चन के बाद लग रहा है कुछ नशा हो गया. That is how he got it wrong. कोई बात नहीं. Fifth question on your screen, guys. Last one, you still have a chance. Which of the following compounds belongs to alkane series? बहुत आसान है. P, S, T or U? Yes, easy. Hi Rahman, how are you? Thank you so much, Abhinav. हाँ, I would be doing more sessions now. ठीक है? हाँ, don't worry and you can come to my long term batches also using SKA Pro. वहाँ भी आ सकते हो अभिनव. I will be there also. ज़्यादा ही अगर मैम की शक्ल रोज देखनी है. Okay? चलिए. So the answer was S. That was easy. Alkane, carbon-carbon single bonds. You can find it easily. Hi Ishika. Yes. Okay, that is all for today's session. We are having the leaderboards and one homework question I would be giving you. Tell me in the comment section. And Vasundhara has won it. Amazing, Vasundhara. Then we have Harshit, Yograj, Ananya, Cake, Vandana, Anshika, Sleeping Stone, Anjali and Harshita. So many girls I see there. Wow, guys, that's amazing. And one homework question that I'm giving to you, you have to give me the definition of homologous series. ठीक है? Homologous series के बारे में you have to give a definition. How do we define homologous series? In the comment section. Okay? So if you know the answer, then let me know in the comment section. I would be taking the names in the next class. Okay? I guess everything is clear, and attend all the sessions regularly. Now you have to do more practice. Okay, I know you are deep down very happy. Exams with the time, ma'am, we not gonna study. Okay, all the best, guys. I'll see you next time. Take care and stay hydrated. Bye.